I'm making a quick video today. I just got the keyboard that I bought. So I bought a keyboard from Best Buy. I bought it a couple days ago. I just received it today. And the reason I bought one is because I don't have a keyboard on my second PC. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and like a review of this keyboard. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you the keyboards that I'm replacing. Alright, so here are the keyboards that I have owned and used on my secondary PC. So I have this Corsair one. I actually got this Corsair keyboard for free. It came in a box of random stuff that I bought a few months ago, I think. But it doesn't work. Some of the keys aren't working, and it was missing a little key cap here. So this one, unfortunately, I cannot use. A lot of the keys here on the right side don't work. And then the keyboard behind it was actually one of my favorite keyboards. It is the Logitech, let's see, Logitech G613. This is a wireless gaming keyboard. I absolutely love this keyboard. I bought this one from Amazon used, so I guess that's why it broke down a lot quicker. Now a lot of the keys on the right again don't work, and then a little bit on the left also don't work. And this is my second Logitech keyboard, this same model, and this is the second time that it happened. The same problem with these keyboards. The little feet always break, always. So this one is good, but this one already broke. I had the same problem with the first one that I bought as well. Although it's a really nice keyboard, buying it the second time and having the same issue twice, it's just I went ahead and bought a different main keyboard. So this was my main gaming keyboard. This is what I used for my personal PC gaming, all that stuff. Main keyboard. And then when I upgraded, I was using this for a little bit on my secondary PC, but over time it just started going out. So yeah, these are both trash. I'm gonna have to recycle them. Alright, so this is a keyboard that I bought. You probably know from the title of this video, the SteelSeries Apex 3. I bought this from Best Buy. I think it was like 35 bucks, like 40 bucks with taxes. So I bought this. It is wired, and it was the cheapest, I believe, cheapest gaming keyboard on Best Buy. I did have a gift card, that's why I bought it from Best Buy. It was also on Amazon, but I had a $20 gift card, so I used that. It's just a deal. So here's the box. It is IP32 water resistant, so that's pretty neat. And it's the most winning brand in esports. Whisper Quiet gaming switches, Apex 3, RGB gaming keyboard. Yeah, PC, Mac, Xbox One, PS4. It is wired. It was the cheapest on Best Buy, and it was a good brand, like a decent brand, right? SteelSeries premium magnetic wrist rest. That is another reason. I'm a huge fan of wrist rests. I cannot use a keyboard without one, so that's a huge plus for me. It does have dedicated multimedia controls, durable top plastic or plates, Whisper Quiet gaming switches. I don't know why, but it's always exciting to open a brand new product. Usually, I always buy used items, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Amazon. Amazon used products, and when it's brand new, it's just like a treat, Alright, so this is the keyboard. Oh yeah, I forgot it's wired. How do I get this? Get this out of the way. Wrist rest, manual, nothing more, nothing less. Alright, this is it. Alright, so the keyboard does have a little bit of weight to it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, so it's not cheap, just cheap plastic. It's actual good weight to it. feels good actually. Keys. This is not a I don't think this is a mechanical. No, it's not a mechanical. I don't remember exactly what this is called. Membrane keyboard, but it's not mechanical. It's not a big deal, and it feels really good actually for just simple gaming. I'm not gonna really game on this. I pretty much bought it to actually use my secondary PC that I actually don't have a keyboard for at the moment. But yeah, it looks really good. It does have some legs in the back. Already, these legs look a lot more sturdier than the Logitech ones. Alright, and then the wrist rest. Nice. Oh, it is magnetic. That's pretty cool. There's two mags on the side. And then, oh god. Yes. A+ keyboard for sure. That is super simple. Wow. Yep. This keyboard is beautiful. Look at that. Simple volume control here. Black RGB. Let me plug this in. Alright, plugged it in. See if we get any RGB. Or do I gotta power this on? Oh, there you go. Wow. Is it can I change the RGB? Let's see. Let's read the manual. Alright, let's see. Product information. Okay. Alright, multimedia volume roller. Okay, so that's up here. SteelSeries function key is number 3, so that's down here. Illumination brightness down up. Illumination brightness up key. Profile switching key. On the fly micro recording key. USB keyboard plug. So I think we can just increase the brightness and decrease the brightness, if I'm not wrong. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so it is a very simple RGB keyboard. I don't think you can adjust the colors for all the keys. It's just static, so it's not bad at all. I mean, it looks nice. You can turn it off if you don't like it, but it's a simple keyboard and it just looks really, really nice actually. Look at that, it looks really neat. Yeah, so it's very simple, I guess. The function key here, you press that, and F11 or F12 is the brightness. So if you go at F11, that's brightness down, and now we'll lower it until you turn it off, and then F12, it goes all the way up until it's really bright. I don't know anything about macros or anything like that, so I don't mess with that stuff. This is like a very basic review or testing of this keyboard. We got the multimedia buttons up here, so we got the volume, and then this button here, if you press it one time, you play and pause your music or video. If you double press, you forward, skip track, and if you triple press, you go back previous track. I mean, it's there. It's a cool feature to have on a keyboard like this. Anyways, that is all for this video. Very quick unboxing review of the SteelSeries Apex 3. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. If you like this video or dislike, just like or dislike. I appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one.